Action verbs with Cinderella. Cinderella is sleeping soundly.
Cinderella is sleeping soundly.
She wakes up very early.
She wakes up very early.
She talks to the birds.
She talks to the birds.
Cinderella brushes her hair.
Cinderella brushes her hair.
Cinderella makes her bed.
Cinderella makes her bed.
Cinderella takes a bath very early.
Cinderella takes a bath very early.
She dresses simply.
She dresses simply.
Cinderella puts on her shoes.
Cinderella puts on her shoes.
She fixes her hair.
She fixes her hair.
Cinderella talks to her little friends.
Cinderella talks to her little friends.
She goes down the stairs.
She goes down the stairs.
Cinderella opens the door.
Cinderella opens the door.
She closes the door.
She closes the door.
Cinderella opens the curtains.
Cinderella opens the curtains.
She sings softly.
She sings softly.
Cinderella takes care of the cat.
Cinderella takes care of the cat.
She feeds the animals.
She feeds the animals.
Cinderella prepares the tea.
Cinderella prepares the tea.
She serves the tea.
She serves the tea.
Cinderella brings the tea.
Cinderella brings the tea.
She feels tired.
She feels tired.
Cinderella cleans the floor.
Cinderella cleans the floor.
She sees her image in the bubble.
She sees her image in the bubble.
Cinderella sweeps the house.
Cinderella sweeps the house.
She tries on her only dress.
She tries on her only dress.
Cinderella puts away her dress.
Cinderella puts away her dress.
She reads a book.
She reads a book.
Cinderella carries clothes to wash.
Cinderella carries clothes to wash.
She wants to go to the ball.
She wants to go to the ball.
Cinderella doesn't have a nice dress.
Cinderella doesn't have a nice dress.
Her friends fix her dress.
Her friends fix her dress.
Cinderella feels happy with her dress.
Cinderella feels happy with her dress.
She shows her dress to her family.
She shows her dress to her family.
She feels sad about her ruined dress.
She feels sad about her ruined dress.
She cries inconsolably.
She cries inconsolably.
She is helped by her fairy godmother.
She is helped by her fairy godmother.
She gets a beautiful dress.
She gets a beautiful dress.
Cinderella shows off her glass slippers.
Cinderella shows off her glass slippers.
She thanks her fairy godmother.
She thanks her fairy godmother.
Cinderella heads to the castle.
Cinderella heads to the castle.
She arrives at the royal ball.
She arrives at the royal ball.
Cinderella walks into the ballroom.
Cinderella walks into the ballroom.
She meets the prince.
She meets the prince.
Cinderella dances all night.
Cinderella dances all night.
She falls in love with the prince.
She falls in love with the prince.
Cinderella goes outside with the prince.
Cinderella goes outside with the prince.
She dances in the starry night.
She dances in the starry night.
She crosses the bridge with the prince.
She crosses the bridge with the prince.
She receives the love declaration.
She receives the love declaration.
Cinderella hears the clock chimes.
Cinderella hears the clock chimes.
She separates from the prince.
She separates from the prince.
She leaves the palace in a hurry.
She leaves the palace in a hurry.
She loses her shoe on the stairs.
She loses her shoe on the stairs.
Cinderella runs away scared.
Cinderella runs away scared.
She keeps a glass slipper.
She keeps a glass slipper.
She returns to her daily tasks.
She returns to her daily tasks.
She is abused by her family.
She is abused by her family.
She is locked up by her stepmother.
She is locked up by her stepmother.
Cinderella is freed by the mice.
Cinderella is freed by the mice.
She is helped by the royal guard.
She is helped by the royal guard.
Cinderella tries on the shoe.
Cinderella tries on the shoe.
She marries the prince.
She marries the prince.
Cinderella lives happily ever after.
Cinderella lives happily ever after. Thanks.